SOLIDWORKS helps us because it includes tools for creating detailed design documentation, which is essential for quality assurance and regulatory compliance.
Our company chose SOLIDWORKS due to its robust CAD capabilities, creating the design of complex assemblies.
By using SOLIDWORKS features such as parametric modeling, library components, and standardized design templates, we can efficiently reuse existing components for creating new projects.
INTO Bioprocess Solutions focus on creating custom single-use system for biotechnology, biopharma, and pharma applications to meet specific customer needs and simplify bioprocesses.
We chose to get 3D experience because it has everything we need for product development, collaboration, and data management.
It helps us store, manage, and organize design data, including CAD files, documents, and revisions. One of the innovative features of 3D Experience is cloud-based collaboration. It enables seamless collaboration and data sharing among team members, even those working remotely.
It may vary from a small and simple single-use assembly to a complex single-use system.
Our SOLIDWORKS reseller INRE gave us really effective support. This involved responsive customer service and expert guidance during implementation and training processes. They also provided assistance to maximize the benefits of the software for our specific needs.